Yo, just leaving now. Yeah, no worries. Turn a bit back. Do you like my new sticker? Yeah. Oh, actually, I got a selfie camera now. Yeah. 16-bit is coming. 16-bit is coming. 16-bit is coming. Yes, he's coming. So I got a few bits. 16-bit, few arms, some mic muffs. One wind-breaking muff as well. Good for him to get into. We'll get started with. So I think he's gonna loan my mic for a little bit until he get his own sorted, which is gonna be pretty awesome. Hopefully the quality is gonna be sweet, because he is using my Sony mic, so maybe the rendering and all that stuff on the phone will work better. I don't know. We will see. We shall certainly see how it will pan out. Apologies for the wind noise, guys. Get the wind, birdies! Woo! Oh, I love it. I love it. It looks like it's going to be okay today. I mean, the showers are still here. So, whoa, fucking hell. I think a bit of WD-40 or GT85 has went on my front wheel. Not because it's cold. I mean, it is cold for the wheel. But I was spraying, so it might be worth washing the bike down soon. Just be careful on corners, because that's a bit sketchy, that is. Oopsies! Fair play to that man. Like, literally, I see him every day nearly. At least when I'm running early. Or late, actually, saying that. He's always walking around and picking up litter. Bless him. Bless his cotton socks. See, there's people like that, you know, like decent people. I don't know, they might not be. Might not be a decent person. Oh, fucking hell. Look at all this shit oil on the floor now, like. Guys, listen, calm down, right? Calm the fuck down. Calm the fuck down. I'm gonna spoil myself to an energy drink. That's right, you heard me, yeah. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get the 200mg one, the little bastard, and then I'm gonna fucking suckle it like a newborn does on a tit. I'm gonna suckle it good. I'm gonna suckle it good. Yeah, boy. Now steamed up. I need to really invest in some fucking NT4 visor or pillock. That sounds good. Now I can't see shit. Or attachment for my visor. Oh man, I bet you it sounds like a fucking hurricane in here. I'm only hyper because I got tomorrow off. Well, it is for a valid reason, but it's not for me, it's for my other half, so hopefully it will go to planet. I got a fucking wet boot now. I sprayed GT85 on it. Hang on, I gotta go shopping now. We'll get an energy drink. Say hi to that camera if you want. Yeah. Hurry up, Naris, I'm like really late. So I met these fuckers this morning and basically just they're just riding down to work with me. Oh, hello boys, hello. You can turn around by here, so if you want to chuck me my jacket, I gotta go in now, right? It's alright, don't get off. I've missed this Rick Grimes jacket. I've missed that Rick Grimes jacket. Cheers, Matt. See you soon. Ciao, lads.